Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Duolingo promo code for the month of September. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open any browser and search a Duolingo promo code. Okay, once you search that, you simply need to scroll down until you will find a website that is 100% off Duolingo coupon. Click on that option and click on the first, that is sale. Click on show promo code and you can see that this is the promo code. You simply need to copy that, okay, and use at duolingo.com. So now the website is going to be open. So if you have an account, you simply need to click on I already have an account, but if you want to create, you simply need to click on get started, and then you need to select the language which you want to learn and create an account and apply that coupon code there. So this is the process by which you can get Duolingo promo code. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.